So why are we going to be talking about getting a job, getting a raise? I thought this was all about building a business. Well, it is, but one of the first places you need to start while you're building a business on the side is how to grow your active income. So if you're looking to build a business and you haven't figured out how to get your day job up to its maximum amount of value and the output that it gives you in terms of a monetary equivalent, then this is a video you've got to check out. Hello and welcome, guys. It's Alex back at you with another video. Wanted to talk to you about getting a job or getting a raise. So what it comes down to is three issues: the way that your resume is phrased, and you're not getting past the gatekeeper, which is a robot. You're not passing their algorithm, so you're not even getting interviews. The second one is maybe you have a self-esteem challenge. Maybe you just don't have the confidence, and that is an issue within itself, but that's something that needs to be addressed if you want to move up, make more money, you want to get to a place in life where you can provide for your family, right? Third is going to be, maybe you're not just trying hard enough. Maybe you're just blaming something. Maybe you're blaming COVID, or you're blaming the job market, or you're blaming your high school or your college because they didn't have a graduation. Nobody cares. The market doesn't care. What the market cares about is the value that you bring to the marketplace. So let's focus on that. I'm gonna bring in somebody who's a professional at helping people get jobs, that she's been doing it for decades. I'm gonna do an interview with her. I'm also gonna talk to you about how to get your resume looked at and get past that electronic gatekeeper. For me, I've gotten every job that I've interviewed for, okay, except for 2 jobs, and those were jobs that I didn't even want anyway, and I got much better jobs. I've worked for a couple Fortune 500 companies, but I want to share this information with you because it's helped me so much. So this is going to be our new video series. Look forward to seeing you on the other side, and let's do this thing.